we have prepared latest market updates for December 19th, 2022. Elon Musk asks whether he should quit Twitter. On Sunday, Twitter CEO Elon Musk launched a poll on the social media platform asking users whether he should step down as head of the company, adding that he would follow the results of the poll. Nearly 12 million users took part in the poll, and 56.3% voted in favor of his resignation before the poll closed on Monday. The billionaire did not give details on when he should resign if the poll results showed he should do so. Musk told a Delaware court last month that he would reduce his time at Twitter and eventually find a new executive to run the company. The poll came after Sunday's update of Twitter's policy, which banned the creation of accounts solely for the purpose of promoting other social media companies and content containing links of usernames from competing platforms. Minutes before the poll, Musk apologized and tweeted, "There will be a vote on major policy changes in the future." A few hours later, the official Twitter account launched a separate poll asking users whether the platform should have a policy preventing Twitter accounts advertising other social media platforms. Insurers avoid cryptocurrency firms linked to FTX. According to several market participants, insurers are denying or limiting insurance coverage to customers related to the bankrupt FTX cryptocurrency exchange, leaving digital currency traders and exchanges uninsured for losses from hacking, theft, or lawsuits. Insurers were already reluctant to take out asset protection and directors and officers D&O policies for crypto companies because of the lack of market regulation and unstable prices for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now the collapse of FTX last month has heightened fears. Insurers in London's Lloyd's and Bermuda's markets are demanding more transparency from cryptocurrency companies about their impact on FTX. They're also suggesting broad policy exclusions for any claims related to the company's collapse. Kylie Nichols, president of brokerage firm Hawkwood Canada Ltd, said insurers require clients to fill out a questionnaire asking if they have invested in FTX or have assets on the exchange. Meanwhile, Lloyd's of London broker Superscript provides clients who have dealt with FTX with a mandatory questionnaire stating the percentage of risk. Oil rises as China's recovery improves prospects. Oil rose on Monday as prospects of demand recovery triggered by China's easing of COVID-19 restrictions and the U.S. decision to buy oil for its state reserves overcame fears of global recession. Brent crude futures rose 0.5% to $79.46 a barrel, and U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.5% to $74.67. Both benchmarks fell more than $2 a barrel last Friday after hawkish statements from U.S. and European central banks about raising interest rates, raising fears of a possible recession. China, the world's biggest crude importer and number 2 oil consumer, is experiencing the first of 3 expected waves of COVID-19 cases after Beijing loosened travel restrictions. Despite the spike of COVID cases, market opening optimism and stimulus policies are improving the outlook for oil demand, said CMC Markets analyst Tina Tan. Meanwhile, the U.S. Department of Energy's announcement Friday that it will begin buying crude oil for the Strategic Petroleum Reserve with delivery next February also supported the outlook of higher prices. It will be the first purchase by the United States since a record 180 million barrels from reserves this year.